Did you know the habit of washing our hands regularly is one of the most effective ways to protect us from contacting and spreading infectious diseases? Did you know all the surfaces and objects we touch with our hands are covered with germs and bacteria? That we could come into contact with up to 1 million germs every 30 minutes? Did you know handling food with dirty hands could contaminate the food and lead to food poisoning, which could create intestinal infection that might become deadly? Did you know that washing your hands with soap and water could reduce diarrheal disease-associated deaths by up to 50%, saving many lives? Hand washing can reduce the risk of respiratory infections by 16%. If you did not know, now you do.
So what? So first, I know Numa. I feel it wrong. Who wants a bribia? Never summer a come. Na above one. Wash your hands regular. You'll be safe. I love you.
Don't forget to wash your hands before and after you eat. Brother, wash your hands with soap.